Okay, I've been asked a little bit about how do I turn in my programs. So as you complete your chapter one programs or really any chapter, we have like an electronic turn in place for it. So here's the programs again, chapter one programs, and I think there's five of them, but once you get done, right, you'll have like five.java programs or however many there are, and then you'll need to turn them into Google Drive. All right, and so to do this, just go to Google Drive. So just do drive.google.com. All right, let's type that in, enter, or however you get to Google Drive. And then you're going to want to go to shared with me. So there's a shared with me spot here on the left. And then you're just going to want to search for, up in the search, go search for turn in with no spaces. And then you'll find a little turn in folder with your name. So I made one for each student, so you can kind of see our different students here. But that's where you're going to drag them. Right, so wherever you are, double click on there and then just drag your files in there when you're done. All right, so for me, my files are saved in my workspace complete folder on my desktop. So I would just double click there and then I would go into chapter one programs and then SRC for source and then programs, and then I would find my find my programs and just drag them. Sorry, that's not the right spot. Drag them into my little folder here, right? So I would load them up, copy them all, highlight them all, copy and drag them in, and then they'll be in there. And then also I could do new file upload and then scroll to them on, wherever they are in my file structure. Okay, so that's why it's really important when you're using Eclipse to make sure you know where your workspace is. All right. For me, I always, my workspace, I just make sure I'm always loaded in Eclipse to my workspace, which I just have on my desktop again. Okay, so for me, it's just this folder right here on my desktop, right? And then inside of there is where I can find my .java. So make sure you keep track of that and know where they are. That's it. So good luck turning these ones from chapter one. If you need any more help with that, I'd be happy to help. Probably just come on Google Meet sometime or set up a meeting with me, and then you could share your screen. I can walk you through that process for turning them in. All right. That's it. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.